Here's a quick video on how to add your links in your GetResponse autoresponder. I'm gonna be super quick. And in case you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. And if you need more training for GetResponse, you'll definitely check out the description below. And I'll have links and playlists for GetResponse training. But in order to add the links, I'm gonna start you off from the home page. From here, you wanna click on Tools and you wanna click on Autoresponders in case you don't know how to get there. And once you click on Autoresponders, you wanna make sure you choose the autoresponder that you want to edit. And if you can't find it, you have this option to choose the list that you want to mess with. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna keep on this test delete list, and what you want to do is you want to click on these three dots over here and you want to edit. This will take you over to editing your autoresponder if you don't know how to get there. And to edit the actual message, you want to click on either edit message or click here. I think my autoresponder or internet is moving a little bit slow today. Once you're on that email and you want to add a link to your text, you would just click here, highlight the text, and then you would click on this, what I call, it looks like a paper clip, but it's like a link icon. So you click there and basically it will give you the option to put in your URL. You want to make sure you put in the exact same format. You want to have the HTTP or the HTTPS in there as well as you see in this example. And then once you put that in there, I'm gonna just add something here. Once you put that in there, you click, what did I click? I think I clicked next or insert. And then basically from there, you can possibly edit it if you want. And I'm only showing you this because some people mess up on their links. Am I right? And then you can put a name. But if you do that, you want to make sure you go and repeat that process with the entire text. Meaning you want to highlight the whole thing again. If I can highlight it, you want to highlight the whole thing again. And then you want to click on the paperclip again. As you can see, my link is gone. So sometimes your links doesn't roll over to whatever edits you make to the text if it was already linked. So you'll put the link in again. That's if you go and tamper with it after the fact. And other than that, you're done. Make sure you hit the save. And another way to test it is to go to test and preview, hit the preview. You always want to test your links before sending it out and then click here. Then as long as your links works, which looks like mine isn't working. Oh no, it's just slow again, I guess. As long as your links work, you should be good to go. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.